Hi guys, I'm Skidplate from ACD Racing Parts. I want to introduce you today our new skid plate for the BMW 1200 liquid cooled. So that's the new one. This skid plate is made with 4mm thick aluminium. It's a beefy part. As you can see, we have welding. We protect the front collectors of the exhaust. We made some steel brackets. In this case it's a 5mm thick bracket, and you will see that we also have two front brackets that we will mount on the frame. Also at the rear it's mounted on the frame where there is a central stand. So I will show you now what you have in the mounting kit. You have some screws and some washers. You will receive this sheet when you will order your skid plate. So we have two front steel brackets, 6mm thick. They are really strong. We take them on the frame, so the skid plate is not mounted on the engine like many competitors. So you only have the skid plate mounting on the frame, and this is really important. I will show you also that we include in the kit a small accessory to help you to remove the springs. Okay, so what you have in the kit are these small screws. You will use them to put the rear bracket. In this case we already mounted them to save time on the video. You will have aluminium spacers that goes in the holes of the central stand. We will show you how to mount that. You have the mounting screws for those parts, and these two screws are for the front steel brackets. Okay, and the small ones are here. Now I will show you on the bike how to do that. Okay, so the first step is to remove the spacers of the central stand. So here you have two circular parts. You must remove them because you have a clip. So you need a tool. That kind of plier, okay? It's really easy. You remove it like that. On the other side we already removed it. Okay. What we have here, before to remove it, that's what I told you. You must remove the springs because the spring is doing a tension. So we include in the kit this small accessory. This is still a sample that we made by hand, but you will receive a nice one in the kit. You can mount it like that. We will tighten the screws, and this will help to remove the two springs. It takes 2 minutes to do, but it's really easy to do this way because the springs are really strong. So you must go until the end of the screw. Normally it's calculated. Okay. So as you can see, the hole now is in front. So once that the screws are at the maximum, you just have to push this piece like that. Okay. And then you have to remove the screws to open them, and you will see that you can remove the springs. So now we remove this part, okay, and we can let it like that. We can remove now the bushings. We remove the clip before, so this is sliding really easily. You just remove the first one, and you put our bushing like that. Okay, And now we will do the other side. So this goes outside. That's it. So now, the next step, I want to show you the front brackets. Okay. So you have here two strong front brackets, as I explained you before. They are made with 6mm thick steel, so this is really strong. And you have to mount them on the frame. Here you have normally these screws, okay, that you must remove, and you must use the screws that we include in the kit. So you can tighten them, but not too much, and we will finish to tighten them once that the skid plate will be completely mounted on the bike. So let's do that. Now we take our skid plate and we will just one moment remove the springs like that. Then what you can do is to take the two small screws that goes at the front. We will just place the skid plate like that. So now we have the two front screws in the good position, and we have to place the screws of the rear bracket. So you have a long screw in the kit and a nut. So you must put the bracket like that. Okay. If you look inside, there is just the correct size now to put the nut. So I will just place it for now. And at the other side, you don't need a nut because there is a tree inside, so you just have to tie inside the bracket itself. So as you can see, it's really easy. And once you have your skid plate, when you want to remove it, you just have to remove all the small screws on the bottom, or these two screws and the two front screws. So it's really easy to remove. And it's a really strong skid plate, even though we didn't even tighten the screws, but you can see that it doesn't move. It's really grippy. Okay, so we will tighten it. First side. Second one with the key inside. Okay. Now the front screws. This is a customer for the skid plate. The first one. I'm sorry, but I am busy. Please leave your name and message. Okay, so the front screws are in position, and now the final step is just to tighten the screws of the frame, the two on the top. Okay, so now we must put once again two springs. Okay, so you place them inside. You place this piece here. You must lift it to reach the holes. Okay, you tighten by hand the two screws. So you must put it by hand minimum 2-3 millimeters before to do it with the key. Okay, so you do 4 or 5 millimeters with one screw, 4 or 5 millimeters with the other screw, until that the hole is in front of the pin. So now we are in front. The pin is in front of the hole, so you just have to pull a little like that, you see, and it's already in. And now, to remove it, it's really simple, you just have to remove the screws. Okay, so the central stand is working. So here we have the ACD Racing Parts kit plate for the BMW GS 1200 liquid cooled. As we said, we wanted to do a really beefy part. I think you will be happy with it. We also produced a black version. This one is CNC milled, it's not laser cutting, so we have nice edge. All is revolved. You see that you have a logo that is engraved fully with the CNC machine, and this is still welded. So this is really a high quality product. We have several distributors in USA, in Europe. We hope you will like it and you will really enjoy it. Thank you for watching.